Today, in this video, I'm going to explain how to fix crashing and freezing glitch in COD MW3 on PS5. Press the start button, then go to settings, then go to graphics, then turn off on-demand text or streaming. If it not works, then press the PlayStation button from your controller, then go to home. Now press the start button. Now click on check for update and OK. Then go to settings from top right, then go to system, then go to system software, then go to system software, update settings. Now click on update system software, then go to settings main menu. Now click on save data and game app settings. Go to upload delete for console storage from the save data. Then click on upload or delete the console storage. Now select game checkbox. Then click on delete. Then go to PlayStation Home and press the PlayStation button from the controller. Then go to power icon from the bottom. Then click on turn off PS5. Then remove the power plug from the power source. Now wait for 30 seconds and plug the power cable back. And last step is to go to game. Before doing this step, back up the game, then click on options button from the controller, select delete, then delete the game. By following the steps, you can fix crashing and freezing glitch in COD MW3 on PS5.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.